Hello friends, today we're unboxing my new Geox shoes, and yeah, I'm very excited. I saw a good price online and I decided to buy them because I consider Geox as one of the most reliable shoes. I had my previous pair for like 5 years, wearing them almost every day, and yeah. So this is size 12 and a half. Usually I wear 12, but because this is European brand, I decided to get half size more. So wish me good luck. I hope they fit well. Yeah, this is perfectly my size. So I recommend you getting half size bigger, because this is European 46, and most of American brands, they consider their size 12 as European 46. So this is just for you to see that most American brands like Adidas or New Balance, they consider their size 12 as European 46 and a half. But when it comes to Geox, they consider the European 46 as American 12 and a half. That's why I decided to go half size bigger. You see, this is New Balance size 12 compared to Geox half size bigger, 12 and a half. You almost can see the difference. A little bit, just a little bit, less than like half an inch bigger. Yeah, I can feel it too, but it's not a huge difference. So here we go. These shoes come with in 3 colors: white, blue and black. I decided to get the blue pair, and they should be waterproof. I hope they are waterproof, because I'm expecting to wear them in all kinds of weather conditions. So this is it. Let me know what you think. Here we go. Okay friends, today